Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk water in solar panel. Today we will look at 3 panels. It was supposed to rain this week, so I waited for it to actually rain. Yes, there is a panel that was not presented. I'll introduce you now. I will point to each panel in turn. This panel showed up only briefly this year. I think sometime in Q1. I think with snow. It's just for exam prep. Sometime in Q3 or Q4 I'll be fooling around with it. He's a lot different. My very favorite panel is this one. This panel is the beginning of the creation of the Water series. Yeah, we show a lot of stuff on that and we will in the future. Specifically, it is the third module of the future company. We started this recently and the years era foil. The short series is already available for viewing. Probably a week back, I think. There's a lot to say. It went by so fast. Time accumulated towards the end of the video. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Thank you to my subscribers.